everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope everyone's having a great day or night wherever you are. Today's video is focused on something I got in the mail, and it's called Lookfantastic. This is not sponsored or anything at all. I just got this humongous chest in the mail, and it says Lookfantastic. So I looked it up, and this looks to be like a subscription service box. I also have another little one, and there's a lot of different tiers for this different box. I just thought it was very interesting because I've never heard of it. So it's a beauty box, and it ranges. You can also buy, they've got new hair, makeup, skin, body, tools, wellness, men, beauty box offers, and blog. So I went to the beauty box, and the one I got right here is the Christmas collection. It's a beauty chest. So it is Lookfantastic Beauty Chest, $135, if you can see it here, $135, worth over $500. And it is stocked full of stuff. You can also get Lookfantastic, it's like a Christmas box. It's only $40, worth over $120. You can get stockings for her for $60. It's worth over $225. Stockings for him, worth over $145. And the Advent calendar, it's worth $514, and it's only $99. Sold out, but has 5 stars. So this, guys, looks to be really legit. You also get 10% off and free First Aid Beauty Priming Moisturizer worth $14 when you spend $70 plus with a code. But when you first sign up, you get 15% off. I just thought that was interesting. There's also a little tiny box I can show you guys, but yeah, so November beauty box. It says, escape the everyday with our November Higgy Edition beauty box. 6 luxurious beauty treats from brands such as This Works, ESPA, and Nuxe to help you unwind and relax. So, I'm going to be unboxing this box, which is where it's, I think it's, what would it say, $125, worth over $500. It's a chest. I mean, this is legit. So, I just want to show you what all is in here for $125. The first thing in here is, wow, this is so cool, a Sigma E43 domed brush. Now, these brushes are not cheap at all. I think this brush is probably around $30. Let me just see, let me just pull up what everything is worth. Alright, so I've got it all pulled up here. This is worth $17. So I love Sigma brushes. They have a 2-year warranty if you are not familiar. So that's awesome. I'm just unboxing this. I legitimately have like no obligation to. I just thought it would be interesting for you guys. I also have a really small box that I can unbox as well in another video if you guys like this and you want me to. So this is a Burberry Liquid Velvet Lipstick, and this here is worth $33, dark rosewood or oxblood. And this is dark rosewood, number 17. I don't really want to swatch these things in case I want to give it away, but I'll open it up. So that's what it looks here. Like a dark, nice color. Burberry. I mean, like, this is legit. Alright, this is packed full, guys. Here, we're going to move along. Next in the box, this is the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. This is the Eyeshadow Palette. So how much this is worth? $51. Oh, I don't even want to open it, but I will, just to show you guys what's on the inside. I've heard of Illamasqua, but I've never seen anything. So actually, this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Let's take away the card. These look to be really, really beautiful shades. Perfect, I think, for winter, you know, actually like everyday neutrals. These are beautiful. So all mattes on the bottom, all shimmers on the top. You've got deep shades, nice transition shades, all the way to a brow bone shade, and lots of really nice shimmers here. So, wow, this is amazing. Very, very well weighted. It's awesome. Wow. Next up in the box, we've got a Rose Water Balancing Mist with Hydrating Jurlique Rose. This is from the brand Jurlique, and this retails for $42. Let's see what this looks like. Wow, so this is super bougie looking. Wow, it says lightly mist onto face or mist into hands and gently press onto the skin. Use twice a day following cleansing or anytime skin feels dehydrated. Let me smell what it smells like. Ooh, so that really does smell exactly like rose. It's very strongly scented of rose. So if you are sensitive to smell, you might not like that. But here, I thought that this is weird. So we've got Christopher Robin Creme Lavant Au Citron Shampoo Cleansing Mask with Lemon, Ultra Nourishing. This is very cool. Alright, so that's what this looks like. It's huge. This is worth $49. You get 250 mils. And I don't want to open it at all, but I'm sure it smells like lemon. It's without parabens, silicones, and colorants. Wow, so this is interesting. Wow. Okay, so it gently cleanses hair. It's a 3-in-1 low shampoo. Gently cleanses hair thanks to its formula enriched with mild cleansing agents. It deeply nourishes the hair fiber, protects the hair color thanks to the acidic pH that seals the hair cuticle. Result, hair is nourished, strengthened, and shiny. Very interesting. Next up in the box is the Bare Minerals Illuminating Mineral Veil. So this is a full size. This here retails for $24. It's illuminating. Has anybody ever used this before? Illuminating Mineral Veil. I wonder, is this a highlighter? Do you put it all over the face? Is it like a shimmer? I have no idea. But all I know is that this is super bougie. It comes, I want to try to show you guys. It's very, very heavy and big. So it comes like this. It's got a whole bunch of, okay, we're losing things left and right here. Oh God. And it also comes with this whole entire thing that pulls out. So, wow. We're only on the first part. Now we're going to get into the second half, which is this pull-out. It's honestly so crazy. Wow, so it just pulls out, and it's another whole entire section to this beauty chest. Now, there's a brand here I automatically recognize, and it's at Sephora, and it's really cool. Next up here, we have the Ren Ever Calm Gentle Cleansing Milk. Cleanses and soothes. So this is 150 mils, and it's cruelty-free, dermatologist tested, approved. Don't test on animals. Blackcurrant seed oil, rich in omega-3 to soothe the skin. Sea buckthorn berry oil, rich in omega-7 to soften the skin. Fennel seed extract to help protect against pollution damage. Clean to skin, clean to planet. Products that respect your skin and our planet. 150 mils. This retails for $32. Next up, we've got a moisture cream from Yves. I've never heard of this brand, but it looks really bougie. And it's like ultra sealed and everything like that. So Yves, and this is worth $150. Oh my gosh. This better be good. Oh wow. So it better be good if it's worth that much. It doesn't say too much about it. Next up, we've got, this is so heavy, guys. Holy crap. Wow. 97% organic Neals Yard Remedies toner. It's a rejuvenating frankincense toner. Refines and rehydrates all skin types with aloe vera to cool, soothe, and help restore skin's elasticity and vitality. 6.7 fluid ounces, and this is worth just $25. But I would expect that to be worth so much more. And I think this is the last thing in the box. We've got the ESPA Natural Beauty Intercom Optimal Skin Pro Serum for all skin types. It's intense nourishment. It's holistic, so it's an intensely nourishing serum to strengthen skin's natural moisture barrier and help even skin tone while enhancing elasticity to help minimize the early signs of aging. So, after cleansing and toning, warm a few drops in your palms and cup hands over face to inhale the aroma and smooth over the face and décolleté. To intensify, follow with the Skin Pro Moisturizer. So it looks like this, ESPA. This is worth, why can't I find that? Oh, $90. $90. Okay, I'm going to open this up to show you guys. Look how bougie this is. Holy crap. I've got to open it. And, okay, so it's super, super, oh my gosh. It's really, really thin, but look at that. It is so hydrating. Wow, it's super thin, but it feels nice and hydrating and just very, very bougie. I don't know, guys. The scent on this is very light as well. Made in England, 30 mils. Oh my gosh. Wow. So guys, all of that for $125. This would be, look at this. This would be a great Christmas gift. you know, because you get all these things. You can gift one to each person, or gift this a beauty chest to someone, you know, that loves luxury makeup, because this highly specifies on luxury products. So I think this is a really good deal. Honestly, I'm looking at those stocking stuffers, and for that cheap, it comes with a bunch of cool stuff. I'll have to look into it, but it's stacked full of things, and it says, you know, it's worth over $150. So I mean, I can't. This is so cool. So this is part of the Christmas collection. And then also they've got, you know, like I said, the stocking stuffer for $60, worth over $225. And I'm trying to look and see what's in here. So this has, and you also get a free First Aid Beauty priming moisturizer when you order this. So this is, you get the Ico Black Magic Mascara with 26, ESPA 24-hour balancing moisturizer with 72, Philip Kingsley Pomegranate and Cassie's Elastizer with 52, Ilamasca Beyond Powder Highlighter in OMG with 45, and Douce Free Magic Eyeshadow Quad in Subtle Elegance with 34. For a stocking stuffer. It's so cute. I want to zoom in on it, but I can't. Anyway, it looks like that. How beautiful. Worth over $225. Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Let me know, have any of you guys experienced this or had this subscription box? Would you be interested in getting this subscription box? You know, the regular base box. I don't know how much it is. I don't reckon it's a lot. Probably around $15. You get 15% off. I have another little box. If you want me to unbox that, let me know down here in the comments. I've got a strange accent going on because I'm feeling some type of way, but I have that box I can unbox in another video if you want me to. If you like this video and you like unboxings, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.